Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 7. On this occasion, we would like to present a computer networking in the office. But before that, I want to introduce our group member. My name is Sultan Faiz, and there are also Aldijian and Raihan Rizky Afzal. Let's get into the real thing. I'm going to tell you what is computer networking. So, a computer networking is a group of two or more devices or nodes that can communicate. The device or node in question can be connected by physical or wireless connection. The key is that there are at least two separate components, and they are connected. In this part, I'm going to explain in a simple way about type of computer networking and network topology. First, computer networking. LAN, local area network. LAN can be used for a small coverage area. As an example that is used this type of network, namely laboratory of computer, school, university, company, or other area that have small coverage area. By using a LAN, there are several computers in one area and they are connected to each other. Second one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This computer network can be used for outside area coverage, 10 until 50 km. Coverage from area that used by this MAN network is quite extensive. Third, 1. Wide area networking. This type of network has coverage territory or a very wide distance because can coverage until all nations, also the world. And fourth, PAN, Personal Area Network. PAN is network that transmits data between personal devices only like tablet, computer, handphone, game console, and other. And the fifth, VPN, Virtual Private Network. And then sixth, Internet. There are also a network topology, which are bus, topology bus. On this topology, only need to use one long wire and terminal, and then there will be a terminator at the end of the cable. This bus topology process is considered easier in the installation process. Second one, topology star. This topology forming topology like a star, because this topology star has one node core, where the node core are located in the middle part while the other computer will connect with other node. And the third topology is ring. Topology ring is a scheme, concept, or way that used for connect computer device with other computer device, which is the circuit form these points connect other 2 points in one network. And the fourth, topology tree. On topology tree, network structure similar to topology star where every client grouped with a hub as communication center, while the communication center is formed like a bus topology, where the communication centers are connected using a main cable. And the fifth topology is topology mesh. Topology mesh is type of computer network that establish a connection between computer devices that are connected directly to other computers in network.
Okay, next slide. Architecture network. The first peer-to-peer. The second is client-server. The difference between peer-to-peer and client-server is that in peer-to-peer, all computers are equal. All computer has a privilege, but on client server, just only one computer has privilege and the other doesn't have privilege. Okay, next. What's an IP address? IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. It's an identifying number that is associated with a specific computer or computer network. When connected to the Internet, the IP address allows the computer to send and receive information. IP address if IP address is like number at home. If the post want to send to our homes, the post must be announced first. The numbers of home before it. The post also was has now has now the street of our homes. The street of our homes called by MAC address if the number of house is called by IP address. Okay, next. Type of IP address. The first, IP address public. The second, IP address private. The third, IP address dynamic. The fourth, IP address static. Next slide. Class of IP address. IP version 4 IP address are also divided into several classes. Each has a range number and a maximum number of IP and network address. Range for first byte, class A, is from 0 to 127. Class B is from 128 until 191. Class C from 192 until 223. Class D from 224 until 239. Class E from 240 until 255. Okay, class A for a little network with very many hosts. Class B for medium or big network. Class C can be formed by 2 million networks, each of which has 256 IP addresses. This class is class D is used for multicasting purpose. Class E is an address space reserved for experimental purpose. Things that must be considered when you want to build a computer network. The first, what is the need for business, for school, for hospital, and the other. The second is number of users. You must think how many users moment who connect to your network. Okay, the third, security. The fourth, device hardware. The fifth, network operating system. The sixth, cost or budget.
What is an operating system? Bridging between hardware and software. There is an operating system. The operating system is a software system that manages the resource of hardware and software. Or other definition, operating system or OS is program that manage a computer's resource, especially the allocation of those resources among other programs. The example of operating system, there is Sun, HP, IBM, VMware, Apple, Oracle, etc.
That's it about this presentation. We are Group 7. We are sorry if there is anything wrong and deficiencies in the delivery of the material. And we will be thanking for all the teachers who always help us and make us a better person. We hope this presentation is a useful thing for everyone. Thank you for attention. Bye.